Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is your comprehensive guide to applying for Antalya Bilim University scholarships in 2024. We'll delve into scholarship details, including coverage, available programs, eligibility criteria, and document requirements. I'll walk you through the application process with a step-by-step video tutorial. Plus, don't miss out on 4 exciting breaking news updates. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with valuable educational content. Scholarships description. The Turkey Scholarship, offered by the prestigious Antalya Bilim University, presents a remarkable opportunity for international students pursuing undergraduate, master's, and doctoral degrees. This scholarship program is a beacon of financial support, as it covers the full cost of education, making it a fully funded opportunity for deserving candidates. With a deadline set for December 31, 2023, this scholarship offers a unique chance for ambitious individuals from around the world to access top-tier education in Turkey, creating a pathway to academic excellence and personal growth. Scholarship coverage. This comprehensive scholarship program not only covers the full tuition fees for selected recipients but also extends its support to encompass accommodation expenses and airfare tickets, ensuring that financial barriers do not hinder their pursuit of education. In addition to these essential provisions, the scholarship provides a monthly stipend to assist scholars with their living expenses, enabling them to focus on their academic pursuits and personal development without the burden of financial constraints. This holistic approach to funding empowers students to fully engage in their educational journey and seize the opportunities available to them, fostering their growth and potential. Programs offering. Antalya Bilim University offers a comprehensive range of academic fields, including science, engineering, law, humanities, arts, tourism, business administration, and medicine. Our bachelor's programs typically span 4-5 years, master's degrees last 2-3 years, and doctoral degrees extend over 3-4 years, providing students with the opportunity to delve deeply into their chosen field of study. Eligibility requirements. Antalya Bilim University scholarships are available under the following conditions. Open to international students, scholarships are available to citizens of all countries, except Turkish citizens. Undergraduate programs. Applicants with a high school education are eligible to apply for undergraduate programs. Master's programs. Applicants with a bachelor's degree are eligible to apply for master's, MS, MPhil programs. Doctorate programs. To apply for a doctorate program, applicants must have completed their bachelor's and master's degrees from world-renowned universities as part of their academic background. Required documents. To gain admission to Antalya Bilim University's various academic programs, specific requirements must be met. For undergraduate programs, applicants are expected to possess a high school diploma equivalent to 12 years of education. Those aspiring to enroll in master's programs should furnish their bachelor's transcripts, while PhD program applicants must provide transcripts for their master's degrees. Additionally, all international students are required to hold a valid international student passport, submit a concise CV or resume, and present a letter of motivation or statement of intent. Study plans or research proposals are mandated for master's and PhD candidates only. Furthermore, 2 letters of recommendation are needed, along with a certificate of English proficiency from the previous educational institution. If your prior academic degree was not conferred in English, proficiency must be demonstrated through an IELTS examination. These comprehensive requirements ensure that prospective students are well prepared and qualified to embark on their academic journey at Antalya Bilim University. How to apply? The application process for Antalya Bilim University scholarships is conducted exclusively through an online platform. To initiate the application process, applicants should thoroughly review the previously mentioned guidelines and make ready the necessary documents for online submission. The official website link can be found in the video description. Access a helpful video tutorial for the online application process by clicking the provided link in the video description. This resource simplifies the application steps and ensures a smooth online submission. It's a valuable tool for applicants seeking guidance throughout the process. At Antalya Bilim University, there is no IELTS requirement for international applicants, making it accessible to a wider pool of students. Additionally, there are no application fees, eliminating financial barriers. Students may also benefit from a stipend of 1,800 TRY. However, it's important to note that the university has a competitive acceptance rate of 30%, ensuring that successful applicants are part of a selective cohort.